You run a service business. You know the drill, juggling endless calls, scattered paperwork, and a team that's spread thin. Ever wished for a magic wand to streamline it all? Well, maybe there's something close to it. Let's talk about Housecall Pro. You've probably heard the term field service management thrown around. It sounds like corporate jargon, right? But stick with me, because Housecall Pro is not just another software. It's more like a digital sidekick for service businesses. Imagine this. You wake up, grab your phone, and before your first cup of coffee, you've already scheduled your day, checked job details, and even invoiced a client. Sounds like a dream, right? With Housecall Pro, it's not. But what exactly does it do? At its core, Housecall Pro is a platform that helps service businesses manage their operations efficiently. It's like having a personal assistant who handles your scheduling, job dispatch, invoicing, and even customer management. Let's break it down. Scheduling. Forget about those endless back and forth calls with clients. Housecall Pro lets you create online booking pages. Customers can book appointments themselves, and the system automatically updates your calendar. No more double bookings or missed opportunities. Job dispatch. Have a team of technicians? Housecall Pro assigns jobs based on their skills, location, and availability. It's like having a smart dispatcher working 24/7. Invoicing. Say goodbye to manual invoicing. Create professional invoices in seconds, send them digitally, and get paid faster. You can even set up recurring invoices for maintenance contracts. Customer management. Keep track of your customers, their history, and their preferences. Build stronger relationships by providing personalized service. But it's not just about efficiency. Housecall Pro is also about growth. Want to know how your business is performing? The built-in analytics give you insights into your revenue, job types, and customer behavior. You can spot trends, identify opportunities, and make data-driven decisions. And let's talk about customer satisfaction. With features like automated appointment reminders and customer feedback, you can ensure your clients are happy. Happy customers mean more referrals and repeat business. So, is Housecall Pro right for you? If you're tired of juggling paperwork, losing track of appointments, and chasing payments, then it might be worth a look. It's designed to save you time, reduce errors, and grow your business. But remember, every business is unique. It's essential to do your research and explore different options. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.